Y'all, I love walking my dog, but the way my arthritis is set up, could be painful at times. Knees hurting, hands hurting. 75 pounds of force. Nothing beats me putting on some CBD on my knees and on my hands. I use my 1,000 milligrams because I have chronic arthritis since the age of 25 and I'm 47 now, so it definitely helps. Look at Magic Mountain, you guys. I want to be able to enjoy all this scenery without being in pain all the time. If you want to get like me, hit me up.